Hello everybody, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream. We're working on Project Hero, action RPG game made from scratch using Unreal Engine 4, C++, blueprints obviously, and the gameplay ability system plugin. So we're not doing a lot of stuff with the gameplay ability system plugin just yet. We have it set up and we did some earlier prototypes. But right now what we're working on is some UI for the character preview stuff. We had the character preview stuff and all this movement and turning and everything like that and resetting, all that stuff is all handled in code now. So we got that going, blah blah blah. So that's all well and good. So I had an idea to essentially kind of update the preview character to make it a little more interesting. So like, for example, like I want to try to update the preview character and give it a little more, I don't know, more not personality. Well, I kind of want to do personality, kind of like in Legend of Zelda, where like if he's freezing, he's shivering, and if he's hot, he's panting and stuff like that. I would like to do something like that, but for now, I think the best I could do is really, I want to put some sort of I don't know, some sort of environment around him, like a subtle environment. So for example, you can add a particle system. Did it automatically check out? Thank God it did. Okay. So we have this particle system, right? There's a leaf fall. But as you can kind of see, it's rather big in comparison. So can we make it half? So we might want to, let's make a copy of this. Since it's from Stylized Nature, so let's do preview character. Let's make a new subfolder, and we'll call this Sunny_day. Or do we want to say, what's the Sunny Forest Day? So say for example, because I think how I would do this is maybe by physical material and also work with my weather system to get the time of day and to get the weather. So let's create a copy. And there's a couple things I want to do. So there's actor collision, there's orbit, there's an offset amount, offset options, rotation amount, rotation rate. So there should be so what is it orbiting around? There's also initial location. So I think we can just make this 200 by 200 and minus 200 and 200. And then there's a spawn. Is there a scale? Spawn rate scale. No. Initial size. Here we go. So max is 44. All right, let's do 20 and let's do 10. And then there should be like a rate in which these things spawn. So it's at a constant rate. Let's see if this looks any better. Okay. So initial size, initial location. Can we do like 50 and minus 50? Yeah, I think something like... It does sort of an orbit. I think it's spawning way too much. Maybe 0.25. All right, reset. Did that do anything? Definitely looks like it broke it. Ah, there. There we go. 1. All right, let's try 0.75. Rate scale is at 1. Nice. So how it's rotated, so X is the more position. So initial location, X do 100 and minus 100. Do 100 minus 100. Maybe that'll give us a little more. Let's zero out the position. I think that looks decent enough. But the issue could potentially be, like, you know, depending on the time of day, depending on the environment, like if you're in the snow, if you're in the desert, if you're in the swamp or something. Like maybe I would want to like just generally like change the level that's loaded for this character. So I wonder how I would be able to do something like that potentially. But I guess before we do that, let's check some things off my list. So we were able to figure out why derived data cache was being included in P4 submits. I forgot to add it to my P4 type map. No, not my type map, sorry. To my P4 ignore. I forgot to add derived data cache, so that's why that wasn't working. Or, yeah. So we got that. Provide comment tooltips and character preview data asset parameters. So yeah, that's something we should just add. Should be pretty easy and straightforward. So data. Controls the interpolation speed of the character's yaw rotation. Minimum vertical offset. All right, so the minimum vertical offset that the camera can pan. I think that's clear enough. The maximum. Then the minimum horizontal offset. The maximum. Ba-ba-bum. And then this one is the sensitivity. Okay. Controls the translation sensitivity when moving the camera horizontally. And then vertically. Alright, so that's all the parameters. Simple enough. Let's just quickly rebuild so we can see the comments. So I'm still kind of thinking, like, because like the character preview, the character there is simply like just a BFP cube, and it's just streamed into the level by default. So I'm wondering if this level that I have, if there should be like other sub levels within it for each one, and then depending on that moment, I stream those things in and out. So maybe that's what I need to do. But do I have to do that in my level blueprint? Can I do that within my class? That's the question. Let's see. Let's just double check. See our data. That's the character movement data. Whoops. Okay, that has everything. Okay, cool. So let's find the levels. So I have persistent level, and then I have this character preview. And it's always loaded. So I'm wondering, character preview. I am curious though, how this thing with the leaf looks like. Oh yeah, it's not going to show the leaves because of the mask. Interesting. Okay. So maybe I can't do it with the mask. Let me just see if doing that, what that looks like. Okay. Kind of what we were expecting. But it really shouldn't scale that like that. So I'm wondering what the UI kind of looks like. Alright, let's go back. We can always bring this back. Can I comment this? Yeah. Oh no, that's too small. I'll plug this back into... What's that do? To lose background opacity. I'll just say it like that. Okay. So we have end character preview, right? Now does this have a lighting channel? It's hollow. Light. Oh yeah, it's definitely in here. Channel. We have something like that. No. Where do I keep my maps? Map, character preview map. All right, well, let's do something like this. Forest underscore sunny day. New level. Forest sunny day. Now, is my character at 0, 0? No. Oh, I know why he's like that. So we'll keep him like that for now. Now, let's copy him. Go into Forest Sunny Day. Paste him, go to him. So we'll probably want character preview. We'll probably want to add a light component here. So we'll add one blueprint. Obviously, we'll do this in code later. Okay, main light. Now, so we're going to update the channel. Okay. And yeah, we'll reposition this light source just to be in front for now. Okay. Let's also go back recent levels, character preview. Get that point light. So like in general, this still should look the same. Obviously, we're gonna see the darkness. But it looks okay. I still gotta figure out why my stream lags so bad every time I play an editor. But we'll see some other time, I suppose. So I'm getting Facebook messages. Okay, we're good. So say we have M Forest Sunny Day, right? We'll want to have like, for example, like we have the stylized forest map, meshes, plants maybe, and trees, right? Maybe we want like a big old tree. Obviously, we're at the change the lighting channel. Why do I feel like my phone's vibrating? Oops. So also we'll have multiple light sources, right? So maybe for this map, we'll have something like that. And we'll change some of the lighting. So light color, we'll make it kind of like that. And maybe we can have, I don't know, like a plane. I'd say channel 2. Maybe we can have a material like grass. I don't know, does grass mask? That's not not good. Grass. Like, I wonder, like, would I be able to put in a directional light? Because I have I'll have two directional lights at that point. The one I stream in this level, and when I have the other level, like, in there too. Just don't know if this is like the best way to go about it, or if I should do, for example, like a very small landscape. Oh, well, not landscape. Create a new one, like 7x7. Create. Okay, there's my landscape. Kind of a large landscape for our purposes. So let's save it. Let's open up our other map. Hero test map. Let me look at this landscape. We have this material. Okay. Now, does this have a lighting channel? Yes, it does. Okay. So now I should, I think, be able to paint. Landscape. Paint. So there's grass. All right, let me double check this layer info. So it's all just the ones ending in layer info, okay? Okay. Oh shit, I didn't mean to paint that. Okay, so like a bunch of it's black. And I'm wondering if it's because I need to build lighting? So build lighting only. Let's just see if this becomes not dark like this after building light. Or if I'm doing something wrong. Alright, I think I'm doing something wrong and I think I might know. Yeah, okay. It's because of this lighting channel. Yeah. Oh, like, how does it know with this channel stuff in the landscape? Let me look at the grass layer info. Layer name, physical material, spline stuff. Not any kind of information. I don't want to paint, stop. I don't know if this is gonna be the right way to handle everything. What just happened to everything? Okay. Now landscape, foliage. Oh, so there's all these foliage stuff. So I'm kind of wondering if I'm gonna be doing things right. So let me see. We'll see. We'll bring this one in, right? So it's not painting anything. So that's never a good sign. Let's add a rock, for example. Okay, so that's not painting either. Radius 10? Does that do anything? No. Hey, how's it going? Make it 1,000. Okay, still nothing. Let me just reopen this map. Okay, now it's repopulating the grass. Thank you. Now will this work? Foliage. No. I don't know why my stream is so laggy. I hate this. um, let's see. Is my collision correct? Yeah, it's block all. So I'm wondering. What I'm doing wrong. Let's see. Doing for foliage not painting. Check your painting mode. It seems like you are in the select mode. No. Post the video. Okay. Blah blah blah. Scroll through text paint works correctly. Only foliage doesn't. Okay, so none of that helped. Cool. Foliage, paint. Still nothing. Okay, that's just weird shadow. Nothing's painting. I'll make the density bigger. No. Your boy is struggling again to paint. I don't remember what's wrong. All right, let's make everything 1,000. Still nada. Okay. I don't want to hand place stuff. Settings, place in current level. That didn't do anything. Cool story. Ugh. Unreal sometimes, man. Okay, one of them says about rotation. Okay, rotation doesn't matter because that's at 0, 0, 0. What could it be? The struggle 'tis real. Foliage. Rocks. Paint. Nothing. Why? Distance, what is this? Scaling, uniform, instance settings, blah blah blah. Placement. Maybe there's something I'm missing here. Call distance, preset, translucent sort, physical thing, scaling, discard. Can I do the oak tree maybe? I could do the oak tree. Why? Interesting. Why is the scale not working? Scaling is uniform. What about I do free? No. Oh, because I was on the rock. Whoops. All right, let me remove. No, can I just remove instances? Or do I have to erase? Okay. So why is the oak tree working? But the other ones aren't. All right, let's do a couple of like. Okay, I'm still on erase. Paint. Oh. Do it like that. Now let's do a couple big ones. In the back. So yeah, that looks okay. But I'm wondering why the rock is not painting. So no override materials. Let me show in content browser. What is this? No. So there is lighting channels for it. So I'm pretty confident I have to make duplicates. Just so I can change the lighting channel for one. We'll do sunny day. So let's go back into here. See, let's erase this again. Remove. Add a new foliage type. We'll do sunny day. Okay, so still nothing. Okay. But why? Like, what is the difference between this and that tree? I don't know. I don't really fully understand. And this is upsetting to the extreme. Can I just drag and drop this? No. All right, let me look at this one. Can I show? No, I can't show. Custom parameters. So it's movable. Is that a thing? Because I don't want this to be movable. Yeah, no, doesn't matter. Call distance, collision presets, foliage. Let me see, collision preset, foliage. Okay, that didn't matter. Maybe, because I'm pretty sure I have to in here have it not be block all, but foliage. Yeah, see, that doesn't work. Block all. Ah. Why don't you paint? And like this one does. That's what I'm so confused about. Like if it's like bam. Like I don't know why this one does and this one doesn't. Um frustrating, frustrating, frustrating. Unreal, you're killing me. Okay, let me try foliage again. Sunny day. Yeah, so it's not even painting on here, which I don't know why. So no rocks. So what is, and I'm assuming this one, yeah, it's fine. So what in the world? Is the difference? So BP, so it's movable, blah, 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 collision preset thing. So it's in there. Now this oak tree has that collision preset. Oops. Okay. So LOD group is foliage. What's your collision? Let's block all. If I make this foliage, will this fix anything? No. So Unreal is killing me once again. Let's see, offsets. It's nothing. Heights are all nothing. All right, let me show in content browser. Let's duplicate this. Copy. Let's just reference anywhere it is. Okay, let's open the sunny day. Fine, select everything, save it. Let's smoke modes, foliage. Delete that, delete that, delete that. Then delete that. Really? Oh my god. Foliage. Delete that, delete that. Okay. Now, can I say goodbye to you? Yes. Alright. Let's just do FT large rock. For example, right? You can open this up. Now let me look at this. Foliage types, there's this rock. So it's a foliage type instant static mesh. Now, can I make it this? No. All right, just as a test, so copy this. CP large rock. So boom. So instead of this oak tree, put in this rock. Boom, boom. Then we go to foliage, large rock. Yeah, and now it's painting it. So I don't understand the difference between this and rock, right? So like it's able to paint this one, but not this one. And I can't for the life of me understand why. The radius is 500. Maybe I have to make this 500. No. Okay, uniform min scale X. 2 and 3, whatever. I don't think this mask thing is the thing. So I'm not gonna bother. Placement. So ground angle 18 to 45. Maybe this has to be 0. Okay, no, wrong. Okay, so the angle was the issue in this case. Okay. So let's delete everything that we kind of just did. Ah! So we're not doing any of that. Force delete. Save. Save everything. To recompile. Well, also hoping this is not like kind of a waste of a time. The recent levels. It's more a sunny day, right? Populate the grass. All good. So what us? So style is nature. Is it terrain? No. Foliage. Blueprints. Oh, there's some interesting meshes. So there's props. Yeah, perhaps we could make it like an interesting campsite. A wood sign. Did it say anything? Okay, no. Let's get back to business. Type in rock. Show in folder view. Create a copy. Change the channel. Now we'll call this FTSM Rock Sunny Day. Now we should be able to add this. Yes. Okay. So we got something like that. So let's duplicate. We'll do FTSM large tree sunny day. And let's just look at the same asset pack. So that's the ground, this is the trees. So we'll try this one, for example. Okay. That's good. Let's duplicate it. We'll do 02. Rename this one 01. We'll put a different tree in. Okay. Okay. That looks all well and good. So I'm wondering now, with this landscape, like, because like this, hola, what's up? Like, because what I need to do, this light, it can't use channel 01. Because this needs to be self-contained, not just channel 01, just channel 0. And see, like, the grass all kind of just turns dark because it's not being lit. But I don't think there's a way for me within this landscape to tell it to use channel anything. Like, I'm telling the landscape itself, but these painting things, like, I don't think there's a way for me to control this. Let me just, if I undo that, I just have, you know, a blank floor, which again, you know, that makes sense. But like, I don't understand. Is it because it's like a material? Light mass? Is there a channel? No, that makes sense. Layer parameters, nothing that makes sense for me there. So I'll put the light. Let me just, yeah, like, I don't understand, like, I don't understand how this works, because it is grass, but I don't understand what it's doing. Like, what this layer info is there? Like, how does landscape info work? there? Maybe it's information in the parent. Okay. Is there info for anything? So just in general, I'm confused. Like, what did I just paint? Did I paint dirt? Yes. I also don't like all this compilation and stuff. Yeah, so now everything crashed. So I'm curious what the best way to handle this stuff is, because honestly, it doesn't feel like I'm doing it right. But it's taking me like so long to like make this map look decent. Yeah, that didn't really save anything. Like grass maps? What is a grass map? And also just in general, like these landscapes. There's sculpting and there's painting. I have this grass layer info. And this grass layer info has nothing in it. Like, how does it know to draw this stuff? So Soundscape, let me type in grass. So GT grass. So there's all these grass varieties. And this GT grass has references in here. Okay. So maybe that's how it's connected. So Landscape Master and Landscape Master are cheap. GT grass. Okay, grass. Procedural grass, okay. Okay. So let's create a copy of this. Okay. So m_landscape forest. Maybe more like character preview. And let me instead move it up here. And let me just fix it. Oh, not manage. What the fuck? What does that manage or merge? Migrate. Okay. Fix up redirectories. Okay, we're okay. Landscape grass type. So is it in here? Like, what is this function? Grass. So it's a view material expression. Okay. Got it. No, I don't want to save anything. So copy. Okay. Copy. So SM sunny day grass 01. GT grass and a sunny day, so we can pretty much know what I'm saying. Place this one. Do the same thing with these other two. Okay. Name the 02. And then Daisy flower. Okay. So now, so that's sunny day. This needs to use sunny day too. And then this one. Bing, boom, bada boom. Now, all three of these need to be using channel 1. Is there really no lighting channel? That's confusing. Thanks for the follow, Millie Goose. Okay, I'm kind of confused. This had lighting channel, right? Or was this in here? It was in the foliage type. But I mean, if I drop it in, and drop Daisy in, then I can change the lighting channel. But I can't change the lighting channel in the mesh itself. Can't use FTs. Maybe is there a, oh, there's lighting channels in here. Okay. We good. We good. Makes sense. It's a lighting channel. Lighting channel. Lighting channel. Okay. Now we have this grass info, and we should have, yeah, the landscape preview. And we have this, so grass we could change to this one. Save and apply. Okay. And then we can apply this new preview one onto this landscape. And then we go to landscape. Yes. So now it works. So where this is on lighting channel 2. I don't know where it is in the details panel. Channel. Yeah, this is channel 1. And so now when if I were to bring this into my main level, because this is the character preview level, like how I would want this to work. Ugh, again, these frames are terrible. God damn. Sorry. Like, some of these are still black. Channel 1. Channel 1. Maybe I just have to build lighting. Build that real quick. Okay. I'm not entirely sure why some of these are still black. But I think that's okay for now. Let's go to foliage. Let's do some painting real quick. So we'll do 1.5 to 3. Create like a nice, interesting forest. 1.5 to 3. Some scattered rocks. That's okay. Let's save that. Let's go back into our main map. Should be a post process. Grab that and just copy it to our other level. Okay. Okay, so not much. I like the solid subsurface scattering through the years. Again, I'm sorry for the stream quality. I don't know why it's being such bad when it's so bad when I'm playing an editor. Okay, let's build lighting again. Yeah, this time it's taking a little while longer because we added a bunch of stuff. Did the music stop? Continue. I don't know how I'm gonna brighten this scene up though. Like I do have a directional light. So maybe the directional light has to be brighter. Could use some more trees, I suppose. Or some bushes as well. Like over here doesn't matter so much because the camera's facing this way. But I wonder... Oh, it's landscape paint. Can I just put dirt info? Okay, just like a little patch of dirt. And then I can add like is it stylized nature? Meshes, props. Yeah. So like for example, I'm gonna add some stuff in here. Two. 1.5. Something like this, and then like that. There's campfire. Or would that make more sense to be in there for like nighttime or something? I don't know. It's a fog cloud. What the hell does that look like? I don't know. You don't need thick smoke, maybe dust. Then yeah, this is where like maybe this is where like the lease makes a lot of sense. Excuse me. Yeah, I see these meshes. They all have to be line channel 1. You could just put that like something like that. Maybe we could put a tree stump. Scale it down. Maybe have some log. I don't know if a skylight would be necessary. Does this even work? Here's the intensity. But nothing looks like it's changing. Skylight. Capture, no. So that doesn't do anything. Lights. It's kind of weird that that doesn't do anything. Recent levels, hero test map. This doesn't have a skylight. Let me just copy this weather system. Yeah, so that changes a lot. So does the weather system have a light? I think it does. Yeah, directional light and a skylight. Now in this case, directional light would have to affect channel 2. And this doesn't have a lighting channel. Does this have a channel? No. So I'm curious what happens. Because I have hero test map, and here's this preview. What happens if go to levels? Oh no, can I hide this? Boop. Yeah. What happens if I add existing. Okay. Okay, so still not showing anything. So I eject. Okay, let me go to levels. Okay, right click. Okay, it's not letting me change. Okay, let me just delete it. The level is locked. Unlock. Okay. What happens if I play? Okay, so it already breaks. Okay. I guess I could do what if. Ugh, again, I can never remember this. Ternary operator. C++, ternary statement. Okay, so it doesn't have to be an if. We could just say this. Question mark. Otherwise null. So what is the difference? Because I put this preview actor in here. Okay. Do I still get a crash? No. Okay. Well, that's because... So how does this work? How did I do this? So level, add existing, force day. Like I have this. And then let's see, Windows levels. Make current. Okay. Make current, right? Let's see. I hope I don't get another crash. I do. God damn it. This is tricky. Like, what's the difference between this and the other way? Like levels, add existing, this one, right? Let's just open up a different level and save everything. Yes, save. Recent levels back into here. So I don't understand why. Well, one, why is it crashing, right? Let's see. It's this function. And I guess we gotta say what? Okay, let me just say if the length or size num is greater than 0. Will that prevent the crash? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Interesting. Preview character. Place. All right, add. Okay. So where is this blackness coming from? Maybe it's this. So is this in the camera? It's in the scene capture. Maybe that'll fix it. Okay, no. Okay. Where's the UI? So choosing M, this, so that makes sense. And M is using this render target. Okay, so we do need to use this render target. Maybe I do that. There, we're gonna be fucking around with this for a while. Oh, we're getting closer. Sorry, give me just a sec. So, I don't even remember how I did this. Okay, so nothing there. Consider what does it say? Treat unrendered opaqueness. Woof. Let's make a new render target. Just as a test. Okay. The material has to use this new render target. Okay, blurry. Oh god. I'm very curious as to like not have it. I want to have it see everything. Now is this level loaded? Let me play. Then unpossess. So no, it's not even loaded. do Windows levels. Streaming method, I'll say always loaded. Yeah, so that's a problem. There's multiple maps. But it's there. Possess J. So I'm really so confused as to why, like, how can I get this render target? Is there like, oh, maybe it's in, is there like a way to like recapture?
This is for you.
No. I don't know. This is so confusing. UE4 update render target.
For scaring those things away.
There's drawing to render target. Draw render target. No. Nope. Render. Let's capture scene. Maybe it's something in the code. Begin play, we're updating that. What is this property? So we set up the attachment. Is that, and that's all I'm doing in code? I could have sworn there was some sort of property that, let's see. What's the correct question to ask? UE4 render target only show character, maybe? There's some like list. Yeah. Show only actor components. Like, I'm pretty sure I did this somewhere. Yeah, scene capture. Maybe that's the problem. Let's see. Okay. See what happens. Okay. So kind of. Just change that to always loaded for just a sec. See, that looks kind of cool. Like things are kind of like frozen in the background because it's paused. So I would just have to make the level look a little better. So I wonder, recent levels for a sunny day. If I nuke that, and if I nuke the post process, do I have to build lighting or anything? No. Recent levels. It still looks eh. I guess then let me copy that. Recent levels. Can I scale this? All right, give me a second. Recent levels, your test map post. Can I put the weather system back in? Yeah, that looks fucked up for some reason. So let me make this point 0.01. No. Recent levels. Here, test map. Flat. Okay. I just want to make this smaller. But that, I think that looks interesting. Obviously, like, we'll need to remove some grass so you can like look at the character's feet. But maybe let's just do one more thing. For sunny. Let's make all this channel 0. Do they look like they're lit now? Okay, they kind of look the same. But we're getting a decent idea of what we want. So, let's continue this at another time. I do actually quickly want to test. Here's the inventory main. Let's just make it like, I don't know. $600 by 800 or 600 by 600, something like this. And just center it out like that. What does this look like? That looks kind of good. Probably want it to be a little taller. So minus 120, 200. So we're gonna do 600 by 800. Might have to change this too. Or do I have to make this kind of smaller? No. I want it to be like 600 by 800. But I'm pretty sure it's an issue with this scale box. Okay. So that does work. Maybe by like that. Does it look stretched like pretty badly? Yeah, it does. Okay. Fix that. Let's just look at it one more time. So we can zoom in. Might have to reposition him. So we're gonna have to figure out a couple different things. Investigate streaming in levels in C++. So create task. Continue building forest level. Day. I think that's enough for next time. So let's, we have a lot to submit, right? Yeah. So whip, more interesting character preview. Bring this up into GitHub. More interesting character preview whip. Commit to main. Fetch, push, push. Okay, we're good to go. So thanks for watching, everybody. Well, tomorrow I'm taking. I have something to do, so I won't be playing games. On Thursday, we'll probably continue this. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.